Ka District Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, West Khasil District, manakasngi balang jong katayo, ka tarik gurisau arjar arpusau. Kalayo ban penlong ya ka Swachha Hi Seva, ban rakhe ya ka Swachh Bharat Divas, hapo nong stoin West Khasil District. Katay ka jingalang ka longru kum sibanta ban penkub borom igisnong, ya ki nong ilam snong, ya ki nong tray mon subha ka solid waste management, bat ya baro ki balayadon benta ban wanra ya ka khoj ka suba, hapo ki snong ki thau, badah ka district hi baro kuway. Ban hakane ke jingelang lajiru yusamla Rinaldi Kharbani kum ubran ambassador jongka DSBMG. Ya kete ke jingelang ke balalong hapo Bishop Hall hanong stoin. U MLA karam brajer ngam u RG Momen ulalong kum ukong san. Harengkat ke jingidon langru uba A Lartang. Superintending Engineer ketenat PHE Western Circle kinong tray ke DSBM kipajba bat kiway.
Kali ka program ke jingi ka benta ka ba dikulong ya ka bani khot kata ka Swachh Bharat Divas. Kali ka program kadai si benta nunta kajeng kup burong ya ki snong ya ki sorap snong ya ki paipa ya berkhoi nganong no ki bedon benta manuan ra ya kajeng khoi jeng ba hapo ka snong ba khamtam hapo kali ka district ka jongi.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what I can do for my country. What pan pi nagari panle nagpada jumpi pan clean kaingal panle nagpada rejo. This is the question. You should not ask what Indian government or Meghalaya government will do and will bring benefit for my family or for me. Don't ask this thing, but ask. I was created by God. God has blessed me good heart, good hand, good eyes, good mouth, good leg, everything. God made us wonderfully and carefully. So we have to contribute something to the society. We have to be very clean. Whatever we eat, we have to be clean. Whatever we drink, we have to be, it should be clean. And whatever we do in our life, everything should be clean. Otherwise, it will spread everything. Swachh Bharat means maintain personal hygiene and healthy environment. The man has the responsibility to care the environment. We have to preserve our environment like this. No? So, if we don't care much, these 30 things that will affect our health, our environment, our place like this. Suppose this training, this Swachh Bharat method, we should drink clean water. We should go to the toilet or paikana in toilet, not in shower, not in outside, so that insect will not attack, insect will not spread the disease like this. No? So these are the things. And we are the good citizens. Though it is not written in the municipal rules also not there, government rules also there, not written in the laws also there, but we are the children of God, need kunjung ublay. At least we should have some civic sense. If you know what should be done and what should not be done, we call it civic sense. Municipal board also or Shillong Muda also might not have passed these rules. But you know, if we throw these dirty things on the way or somewhere, it will affect the environment. You know all this. So we should use our spiritual law. Not only literal law may not be there, but you know, it will harm our health, it will harm our society, it will harm our environment. This thing we should know ourselves. Today is the day of good works. You know the good works. If you know that will spoil the environment, that will harm the environment, that will bring some diseases to our society, that will do some harmful, some hazard to the people. So, though it is not passed by the government, but you know, you have civic sense, you have to use properly and help them. If you know what things should be done, what should not be done, that is not.
Kali jile koi kalam kapungkam ya pi ya mi kom ki menyanyi bukti beliau namar bakal ke jile koi ki ma menjadi metu rekia jile koi kelang keberan kantam namar balai namar ba adanya ke koi dia pun jadi jipang ke harkom ini jipang harkom pelang yang ini bangin dia jipang na ngaji bang koi profesional tau jibang koi jadi dia beha jibang koi jadi office ke bani trade jibang koi jadi school jibang koi jadi hospital kini kawan telah ia kaji pan harkom di bawah ini